Discover the ultimate beauty secret. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a skincare superstar that deserves a massive round of applause. I'm talking about aloe vera, a natural wonder that has been a staple in beauty routines for centuries. Seriously, this plant is like a magic wand for your skin, hair and body. It's packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that can work wonders. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to radiant skin, luscious locks and a healthy glow, then keep watching because I'm about to spill all the tea on aloe vera. Get ready to be amazed. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of aloe vera for your hair, body and skin. Stay tuned to discover how this natural elixir can transform your beauty routine. Let's start with our hair, because who doesn't want hair that's healthy, shiny and full of life? Aloe vera is a game changer for your hair care routine. It's like a tall drink of water for thirsty strands, providing deep hydration and nourishment from root to tip. One of the things I love most about aloe vera is its ability to promote hair growth. It contains enzymes that help to repair damaged hair follicles, creating a healthy environment for hair to grow strong and long. And for my girls with scalp issues, aloe vera is a lifesaver. Its natural anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties can help soothe an itchy scalp, combat dandruff and reduce scalp irritation. But that's not all. Aloe vera also adds this incredible shine to your hair. It smooths down the hair cuticles, reflecting light and giving you that gorgeous, healthy-looking sheen. Here's a pro tip. You can use aloe vera gel directly on your scalp as a pre-shampoo treatment. Just massage it in and leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it out. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it. Now, let's move on to the body, because aloe vera is like a soothing balm for your skin. First and foremost, aloe vera is a godsend for sunburns. We've all been there, right? You spend a little too much time in the sun and your skin is left feeling hot, red and irritated. Aloe vera's cooling and anti-inflammatory properties work instantly to calm the skin, reduce redness and speed up the healing process. But it's not just for sunburns. Aloe vera is a fantastic moisturizer for your entire body. It's packed with humectants which attract and lock in moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple and hydrated. And because it's so lightweight and fast absorbing, it's perfect for all skin types, even my oily skinned beauties. If you struggle with skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis, aloe vera can be a great natural remedy. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to calm irritated skin, reduce itching and minimize redness. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, aloe vera for the skin. Get ready to say hello to your most radiant complexion yet. Aloe vera is a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your skin. It's packed with vitamins, antioxidants and enzymes that work together to fight acne, fade dark spots and give you that youthful glow. If you're battling breakouts, aloe vera can be your new secret weapon. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help to kill acne-causing bacteria, reduce inflammation and prevent future breakouts. Plus, it helps to soothe and heal existing blemishes, minimizing scarring. But aloe vera isn't just for acne-prone skin. It's also amazing for mature skin. It's packed with antioxidants that help to fight free radical damage, preventing premature aging and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And if you're looking to brighten up your complexion, aloe vera can help with that too. It contains enzymes that gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells and revealing a brighter, more even-toned complexion. So there you have it. Aloe vera truly is a magical ingredient that can transform your beauty routine from head to toe. From promoting hair growth to fighting acne and giving you that radiant glow, the benefits of aloe vera are endless. I encourage you to incorporate this natural wonder into your beauty routine and experience the magic for yourself. Trust me, your skin, hair and body will thank you for it. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time.